Thick plumes of smoke blanketed northern Algeria on Tuesday as forest fires ripped through the region, killing at least 42 people, including over 24 soldiers deployed to fight the blazes. Residents said the soldiers were killed in different areas, with some trying to extinguish the flames and others cut off by the spreading fire. The Defense Ministry said more soldiers suffered severe burns. Last week, an EU atmosphere monitor said a heat wave had fueled massive blazes across Turkey and Greece as the Mediterranean becomes a wildfire hotspot. Dozens of fires have raged across northern Algeria since Monday night, which the government has blamed on arsonists without providing more details on the allegations. Several homes have been left burning as families escape to hotels, youth hostels, and university residences. Residents have tried to smother burning patches with tree branches or hurled water from plastic containers in a desperate attempt to extinguish the fire. The Algerian Interior Minister said firefighters and the army were still trying to contain the blazes, though dense smoke has hampered their visibility. He has vowed to compensate those affected by the blazes.